I know what it is. I know what it is. Well, I don't know what it is, but I know what it is. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another amazing unboxing. My January I Want It All box, and I'm really excited because even though you know you get the box every single month, you don't know what's in it. So that's the exciting part of all this. It's like having Christmas or your birthday every single month. So let's open this baby. As you can see, is the box that you get every single month. It's all pretty as always with all these colors. They have the whole rainbow here in pastel colors. Ooh. It says I Want It All box by Natalia Rivera, and then you get your little card if you haven't seen. Yeah, it's the same card. If you haven't seen it, you can watch my other videos because I have the whole translation. It's in Spanish. It's handwritten by, well, it's a copy of a handwritten card with Natalia Rivera's signature. And then you get everything wrapped in this gorgeous paper with a little heart. So let's start by ripping out this paper because I can't wait to show you guys what I got. I know this video is gonna be kind of late because I've had so many things going on this month. Just so you know that you're still on time to get yours for February. You get this little card with all the brands that are on this box. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Okay, so first of all, I know what I'm gonna grab first. It's popcorn! If you don't know, in Puerto Rico, they called the popcorn poscon. It's dulce salado. It's sweet and salty. Oh my God, I'm dying to try it. It's made in Puerto Rico. They call it poscon. We call it canchita. Some people call it cotufas, palomitas. This is so good. It says it's gourmet, fresco. And you can go to poscon. Sorry, I have my mouth full. posconpr.com. Poscon with a K. It's really, really good. People who know me know that I don't like popcorn. I just like the smell. The only popcorn that I eat is the sweet popcorn. The second thing that I'm going to open is this little baby here. It says Yuna Glitter, a line of designer. Oh my God. Our vegan, cruelty-free aloe gel feels great going on. Oh, let's see if that's true. Should I put glitter on? No, I'm gonna do just a swatch of the product because I'm going to the radio. I'm gonna be on the radio today, guys, so I can't go with the glitter on. They're gonna think I'm crazy because it's a very, very important and serious radio station. Oh, look at that. It's gorgeous. It's so pretty. It doesn't feel sticky. That's so true. How cool. I love this. I really, really like this one, made in the US. Let's move on with more makeup. Ooh, I got this Iluminador. So it's highlighter. It's called Diosa's Artisan Makeup. The color is Rose Path, and I'm gonna do a swatch. Ooh. Oh, okay. I thought I was going to spill everything all over, but it comes with a sticker. I'm gonna put some on the cap. I'm gonna grab some with my finger. Oh, this is so pretty. It's rose, but it has like a lilac, lavender undertone. Okay, my hand looks kind of weird there, but look how pretty. Talking about lavender, this is a face and body scrub. De Café Scrub. It's a lavender mint. It says it's 100 Puerto Rican coffee, raw sugar, coconut, local sea salt, almond, and essential oils to exfoliate, moisturize, and reveal smooth skin. It has all the instructions down here. It's 2 ounces, and thank you so much. This is exactly what I needed. The weather has been so crazy in Miami. It's been cold, hot, cold, hot, and your skin goes crazy. So this is perfect. The next thing, it's like this box was made for me because it has so much food. They heard my prayers. We got sesame seed sugar-free bocaditos de ajonjolí from Dulzura. It says they're energy bites. I've never tried bocaditos de ajonjolí before. It says it's a high source of magnesium and iron, so I have to try it. Okay, not my favorite, I have to be honest. But if you like them, this would be good for you because it says it's non-GMO, verified, and sweetened with stevia. So the next thing that I'm going to show, what is this? It says Pao Tops Pineapple Team. Let's see what it is. Oh, I think it's like a headband. Yeah, maybe it's a headband. It would look cute as a headband. Let's see their Instagram. Oh, it's a clothing brand, yes. So this is the name, so you guys can follow them and see all the things that they have. And next, oh, it's a bracelet from CBG Boutique. I'm gonna open it first so you can see the bracelet. It comes in gold with peach beads. Let's try it on. Sometimes it's really hard for me to put on bracelets, but no, wow, this was really easy. It's really feminine and cute. I really like it. It goes with everything, and it has a little charm that says, what does it say? Grace. It says Grace. Aww. This is a deep shine coconut and argan oil from CARSON Live. This is one of my favorite products, you guys. I'm really excited that it's in this box because mine is almost over. This is actually what I used on my hair today. I use the whole line of coconut and argan oil. There's an unboxing if you speak Spanish. I know some of my followers are bilingual, so go watch it. I'm gonna leave a card maybe here or somewhere. I love CARSON Live. Their ingredients are amazing. I'm also going to leave you a link in the description box. If you wanna try all their products, you get a discount, and I can't say enough of this brand. They're amazing. It's my favorite brand. Oh my God, no, we're coming to an end. No, I have 2 more products. One of them, what is this? Oh, it's a phone loop. It's called Phone Loops. It's from phoneloops.com. It's for your cell phone case. So because I lost my case, I can't try it on my phone right now, but it's really pretty. It's very girly and fun. It's a green band with watermelons. Look at all the watermelons. This is so fun. Super colorful, so I already love it. And no, I don't want to end. No. I got this. What is this? Oh, this is a really cool packaging. It's from andapal.com. It's like a Ziploc bag. You can use this bag for something else because it's so pretty. Look, like for travel, you can put stuff there, like your shampoo or something that can be liquid, and you can close it. It says, I don't give a cucumber. Isn't it cute? Warning, this bag may cause extreme happiness. A strong craving for tostones, salsa dancing, and sunshine. Wepa! I'm gonna put my makeup in this. Oh, you have to see the interior. They have palm trees in green. Thank you so much, Andapal. Now I got it. Silvana, Andapal. Yeah, you know what. That's a great name. Puerto Rican people are so creative. I can't. They're great people. They're always happy. This is a great idea. It's a great box. It's only available in the US and Puerto Rico. Thank you, I Want It All box. This is a great gift, and you get it every single month. So I hope you guys love this video as much as I did. Besos para mi gente de Puerto Rico. I love you guys. I hope you have a great week. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now go visit their website, and see you guys in my next video.